How to change language in Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this brief video, we'll learn how to change the language in Monopoly Go. The default language for Monopoly Go app is English. However, if you're not a native English speaker or simply want to change the language for another reason, you can open the Monopoly Go application on your device and wait for the game to load. Once the game loads, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen and then tap on the settings option. A window will appear with several customizable features for the Monopoly Go application, including the language option just under the notifications. You can select a language from the list, such as Spanish, Italian, French, or others. After selecting a language, the app will ask if you're sure you want to change your language. Click on the Change button, and your app will automatically restart and open in the selected language. That's how you can change languages in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.